I have nothing at the top, so.
You don't have anything, really?
No, but I can guess at what your first question is going to be.
Yeah, I would think so. So, as you know, the FBI director has just informed Congress that they've found new emails that are pertinent to their investigation into Secretary Clinton's server. What do you guys know about it? Do these emails relate to while she was Secretary of State? What do you know? Have you been asked to cooperate? Will you cooperate? And
Yep, sure. First, what do we know? Not much more than you know. In fact, about the same. We just learned about this when we saw news reports of the letter. So at this point, I'd have to refer you to the FBI for any more details about what emails they may be looking at, what they're looking for, any more details at all. We just don't know anything about the scope of this new, I'm not even sure it's an investigation, but this effort to look at additional emails. And we don't know if these emails pertain to her time while she was at the State Department. We just don't have any more information at this time. Your second question was,
well, I mean,
have we
you said
been
that
asked to
you say that you just learned about it from the letter that.
no, well, I mean, whatever they were reporting,
But that's a letter to Congress. Has the
Correct.
State Department gotten a letter as well telling it
as
that?
far as I know, we've not been informed about this, no.
Okay, and so, but.
And I spoke to several people before coming out here. This is the first notification we have.
Can you say, you will cooperate though?
Of course.
Right?
I mean, as much as we're needed to cooperate with FBI, as we've done in the past, we'll cooperate to the fullest extent we can.
Okay, really, you're just mystified by this whole thing. Is that what you're
I'd say
saying?
we're mystified, but we're unaware.
Well, Mark, can I ask, has
Yeah.
the State Department turned over any emails recently to the FBI that we don't know about,
Not
or
that I'm aware of, no.
that might be, because I guess people are just trying to understand
As
where,
are we,
if,
to be honest with you. We don't, I just don't have any additional details. We're certainly, stand ready to cooperate, as I said, if we're asked to do so, but we just don't have any additional details or information to provide at this point.
The court has ordered you guys to produce several more batches of the emails that the FBI turned over.
Correct, yeah. Right,
Do you
which is an ongoing
anticipate?
process. Right.
Yeah, but you anticipate that those releases will continue as per scheduled, and that's not in other words,
Yeah.
any new investigation by the FBI is not going to interfere, is not going to affect your release of the emails that they gave to you.
I would see them as, and again, speaking as someone without full, full vision on this new development, I don't see how they would, that they would be in conflict. We plan to proceed with publishing these emails in accordance with the legal commitments we've made.
And you're not aware if those emails are at all
Not at all.
pertinent to this?
Nope.
I mean, what about that if these are new Clinton emails, then technically they would be State Department assets, right? They would belong to the State Department if they were Clinton's emails or someone who was working for her during her tenure as
Honestly,
secretary.
Jason, sure, go ahead and finish your question.
So the question would be then, will you or have you asked the FBI to hand over those documents? And if you haven't, will you?
So again, I think we're just at the point here where we're trying to figure out what these emails even pertain to, whether they're relevant to her time as Secretary of State. Can't make any assumptions at this point that they are, but they may be. As much as they are, we'll certainly seek to work with the FBI if they ask us to, but I just don't have any more details to provide at this point. Anything else, guys? Can we move on? I just don't have any. What's that?
Well, let's go.
Yeah, please.
If we've exhausted your non-existent knowledge
Right,
on the
exactly,
subject.
Exactly. Sorry, guys,
All right, well, can we just, I realize it's Friday, but I presume that you will get more details at some point during the
As
afternoon.
we get more information about that, or we have more to say about it, we certainly will update you guys, of course.
All right.